I don't know about y'all, but it's the skin for me. Period. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey friends, tap in. It's giving review time. Yeah, that's what it's giving. Today we're going to talk about some goat glue, and the girls want to know, is it really the goat? Like, is it really giving waterproof? Is it really securing the lace? Is that what it's doing? Let's talk about it. I did take it out the packaging already and unwrap everything individually because everything came individually wrapped one by one. Only complaint I had about that is, although all products were together, when I opened the bag, it was a very strong scent of, like, it was fake giving acetone. That was a little scary. Oh, child. I almost dropped it. It's gotta come through the little baggie like this. Y'all know how I feel about companies that give you the little satin baggie. Like, we love the little satin baggie. Don't ask me why, because to be honest, I just think it's so cute. Like, you could have just gave me my stuff in some plastic, but no, you went out your way to make sure you gave me a nice little satin bag so I could keep my stuff nice, tidy, and together. We love stuff like that. I got the set of goat glue because I was just gonna get the glue and the shampoo and the primer that you're supposed to put on before you put on the glue to protect your edges and baby hairs, because I know y'all see baby hairs on Swim, so they hate on him, period. So you know you gotta get the primer to protect the baby hairs or whatever. Make sure your edges still intact when the wig come on. But it's like, once you add it all up, you might as well just get the set, because the set is only $110 and it comes with the big glue, the primer, the shampoo. I'm gonna show y'all what the set come with. The set was $110, $135 with shipping and tax. Shipping time wasn't too bad. I be seeing in the comments on Instagram that people be having problems with the shipping and the tracking. Not me. I ordered and I got my tracking number in like 3 days, and then I want to say it shipped out maybe about like 4 or 5 days after that, and then once it shipped out, I got my stuff in like a week. Overall, it's probably like 2.5 weeks. We love when stuff don't take too long, because the girls hate that. Let's tap into what's in this baggie. So first, this comes in a set. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's the lace knot locker. Basically, it's supposed to seal, secure, and stabilize the knots on your lace. You're supposed to spray this on the inside of your wig. Secure that. It comes with the Primer Protection Pro. So this is what I was talking about when I said the primer that you're supposed to put on here before you lay down your wiggy wig. Then of course, the Glue Be Gone shampoo. I love that this company offers a shampoo. It says rapid residue remover on the shampoo, so after I take my wig off, I will definitely be updating you guys on whether I feel like the shampoo is effective at removing whatever leftover residue is there from the glue after removing the wig. But I love that they offer that, because some companies, like, you know, you get their lace glue and they give you a spray to remove it, so you know you don't gotta use alcohol. We love that. But then when you use the spray, it's like, okay, wig lift off, no problem, but now you still kind of got like glue residue here, and you don't never want to just, because you don't want to be pulling your hair out. So we love that they have a shampoo that's supposed to residue remove. And then of course we have the star of the day, the G.O.A.T glue. I know y'all see it say waterproof. We definitely gonna test out this waterproof business because I leave for Miami in like a week and a couple days, and I will be installing this wig about 2 days before I leave. Once the wig is installed, when I am in Miami, I do have intentions on being in the pool, being on the beach, going to a foam fete. It's a lot of watery and wet activities involved, which is why I wanted a glue that was waterproof. And it also comes with the Glue Be Gone solvent. It says it's a rapid adhesive relief. So this is what I was referring to when I was like, a lot of companies do have a glue remover. This will be the spray that when you want to take off your wig, instead of using alcohol and drying out your skin on your forehead, you would just spray, let it sit for a little bit, and then peel off the wig. It also comes with tip-top toe tape. Girl, I can't read because I made that up. It comes with tip-top tape. I don't know where I got the toe from. Top of the line lace tape with extreme hold. So I guess for the girls that don't like to glue their wig down, this is an alternative option. However, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a gluer, so I'm not gonna use this. But I love that they added it as an option. That's cute. We love that. That's our unboxing. I will be back with you guys after my wig has been installed, after I have little footage of the waterproof, not waterproof. We will see if the G.O.A.T is really the G.O.A.T or not. Yeah, girl. Okay, guys, so first off, this is the install. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Shout out to my girl Slave by King T. She bodied that. But the G.O.A.T glue, the consistency, it was given stick. Like, it told you only need 2 layers for maximum hold, I believe, because where is my wig going? Nowhere. It do smell like acetone once you start putting the glue in your head. And it was a little excess glue that had to be wiped off. And I don't know if it was the solvent or what, but it was definitely giving me a little burn right here and right here. Wherever the solvent had to go to get off the little excess glue, it was burning my skin. Don't like that. Really don't like that. As you guys can see, she's nice, she's snug, she's tucked, she's giving Scalpiana. And when I get to Miami, I will touch base with y'all in terms of the waterproofness of it all, because she feeling sturdy. But it's also only like 60 centigrades up here, so we gotta test it out in the heat, see if she's waterproof, see if she's sweat proof, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, yesterday we was at the foam fete. This is the lace. It is a little bit of lifting. I know y'all see that. It's not bad. G.O.A.T glue is somewhat doing what it needs to do. I think it just needs to be tied down, laid down, and it'll re-stick itself. Because you definitely cannot tell. And the tug is still intact. So that's a week into it. Let's see what happens next week. Alright guys, so one of my trip, y'all know I installed with the infamous G.O.A.T glue, and I'm gonna tell y'all why I call it infamous. Let's talk about this glue because I got one thing to say. Waterproof? Where is it waterproof? Let's talk about it, because where? Bitch, where? Not over here. It damn sure can't be over here. I'm gonna insert the picture right here to show y'all why I say it cannot be over here. Now, do y'all see this? Just soak it all in. Somebody explain to me how this happened. In the comment section, drop a comment on how did this happen. Now, mind you, I went to a foam fete, my lace did not get wet. I went to a pool party, my lace got wet. I was in the rain for a little bit because towards the end of Juve, it did start drizzling as we were headed back to the car. And it was drizzling a little bit at Carnival. Not pouring, but drizzling. And briefly at that. Please explain to me how this happened. Now, let's not pretend like we're not used to lace glues not being waterproof. We've all used glue spawn, bull hold, etc. Insta glue. Why do you advertise that you are waterproof and you are not? What I don't like is the fact that you advertise you are waterproof. That is what made me get you. And then you're not holding up to your advertisement. That's false advertisement. And I'm sorry, I'm a little passionate because I was just so annoyed. See, now the problem is, on Instagram, all the girlies will show you them getting in the pool, being dolphins and all that, right? Getting in the shower, soaking. But do you ever see the after? I've never seen the afters. Nobody's ever thought about that? Because I thought about it, but I'm like, I don't know. And now I know why you never see the after, because you was waterproof and you was tug in the pool, and then you got out the pool and you was looking like this. And it's wrong. Let me just tell you, goat glue, you are not the goat, because that is wrong. Period. I don't know. I spoke to my stylist about it because she was on a trip with me. We established maybe it's because it wasn't applied right, or maybe even though we follow step by step what it say on the instructions, or maybe it's because we didn't use a roll cap. I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it one more try, because you get 3 tries with me, and this is the second install, because after the first one it had to be reinstalled, because I know y'all see the picture, it's terrible, right? So this is install number 2 with the goat glue. However, I have not been getting in the water, I have not been getting wet, like, so in terms of testing waterproofness right now, it's sturdy and it's snug, it's tug, but I wouldn't say that's a waterproof thing because I haven't been in water. It just has a nice hold. I have a vacation coming up soon, so I'm gonna use it again, this time with a ball cap, see if it makes a difference. If it does, I'll update you guys and let you know, okay guys, this is it. It is the GO.AT. It just needed a cap. Or I'm gonna update you guys and be like, guys, it's still not it. Cap, no cap. It's not the GO.AT. Period. Aside from that, now that we've established that it's not waterproof, let's tap into the shampoo and the solvent. So first of all, for the shampoo, I just want to let y'all know it don't do what it advertises either. The shampoo is supposed to get rid of the leftover residue on your wig from the glue. I shampooed this wig, brand new, 13x6 HD lace kinky curly wig, 3 times with this shampoo, and still had balls of glue that would not come out my lace. I even used like a brush scrubbing the lace, and still when I took the wig back to my stylist to have it reinstalled for the second install, she had to scrub again because it was not doing what it advertised. It was not coming out. How was it not coming out the lace, but it also was not sticking to my head in the water? I don't understand. Like, goat glue, you got some explaining to do. Yeah. In terms of the solvent, first of all, I'm gonna put a picture right here. This is what it smells like. It smells like a lemony citrus household cleaner. So I'm pretty sure when I first told y'all that, I don't know if it was the glue or the solvent that was making my forehead kind of like burn. I'm pretty sure it was the solvent because it stinks. It really smells like a household cleaner. Like, it's such a strong smell to it. I don't like. Then on top of that, I feel like it says it's supposed to break down the glue so you could just get it off. But I had to use this along with the combination of my Instaglue quick removal spray to remove the lace wig from my head, because the side flaps, because as y'all can see in the picture, here was clearly off, but the side flaps was not coming off, and it was giving spray, wait tug, okay, more spray, okay, more spray. It was just a process, and I just, disappointment in a set, period. If I had to rate this out of 5 stars, it gets a solid 3 from me at best. I told y'all I'm gonna try it one more time just to see, because maybe I jacked up, but I'm gonna try it one more time. It gets a solid 3 from me. That's all I gotta say on that. I don't have much left, because y'all know I like to keep it short, simple, and sweet. This video is already long enough. Goat glue, you are not the GOAT, period. Anyways, much love as always. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, Raven Gang.